We farm at Minyip, about 10 kilometres out on the Donald side. It's a family farm, fourth generation. So grandparents came out from Ireland. My father was on the farm at 14, then I was on the farm at 16, and then my children came on the farm at 18. And so we've got the next generation coming through now, so we're pretty much dealing with succession planning at the moment. Everyone can do succession workshops, but no one's got a template and say this is the template, because every business has a different asset, a different size, different family members. If you had to employ the experts to get this information, it would cost you a lot more time and money. So to be able to bring this together in the format, it's excellent. It absolutely ticks all the boxes. It kind of brings out conversations that you may not otherwise bring out to get to the bottom of trying to make it work for your family. The other valuable thing is the networking, to be able to say, well, what are you doing to your neighbour or the other farmer from Hamilton or Birchip from the other regions, and say, well, how does your business run? So by the time you've talked to 30 or 40 different people, you start to be able to mould and shape how yours is going to look going forward. Yeah, I think this is critical. It's come at a time, obviously, with the generations of my generation and the next. A lot of farms planning at the moment. It's excellent. It absolutely ticks all the boxes.